Okay, for this one right here, we have a square root sign. Your goal for square roots is to isolate the square root and then square both sides. Can't square both sides yet because if you square this side right here, you're going to have to do some foiling action and stuff. Don't do that. Okay, get the square root sign alone. So we have square root of 3x minus 6, and on the other side of x minus 2 because I subtracted 2 from both sides. Everybody's with me? Okay, then, what do you mean no? You can't subtract 2 from both sides? Whatever. Not having a beard is distracting you. I can't think, I can't focus. Okay, so you square both sides. After I square this side, I get 3x minus 6. On this side, I get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Yes, I went ahead and did the squared. It's x minus 2 times x minus 2. And you can do the box with that to get that, however you like. All right, now, because we have a squared, we have to get everything alone on the same side, or everything on the same side so we equal 0. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Subtract 3x over here. That's going to be negative 7x. So x squared minus 7x. And for this constant, check it out. I have to add 6 to both sides. So that's going to be a 10. That equals 0. We must factor to solve. Let's factor to solve, people. X minus 2, x minus 5. Yeah? So this is what I did in my head. I put the 10 up here and I put the negative 7 down here. What multiplies to give me 10 adds to give me negative 7. I thought negative 2 and negative 5. Very nice. Okay, so this equals 0. If I take each of those factors and set those equal to 0, what do I get? I get x equals 2 and 5. But that's not your answer yet. We must check for excluded values, or extraneous solutions, I should say. If I plug 2 into this, do I get a negative? No, I get a 0, but is that okay? Can I square root 0?
Yes.
Yeah, you can. If I plug a 5 into this, do I get a negative? No. Okay, so both of these answers are good. You always have to check your answers for radical equations. And these are radical because there's a square root sign right there. Hey, check out this one. The square root's already isolated. You just have to square both sides.